Hi friends, today we'll discuss few more important words with the abbreviations. What is CEIB? Central Economic Intelligence Bureau. What is ED? Enforcement Directorate. What is IB? Intelligence Bureau. What is CBI? Central Bureau of India. What is DGRI? Directorate General of Revenue Intelligence. What is CCIL? The Clearing Corporation of India. What is CSDL? Central Depository Service India Limited. What is BPSS? Board for Regulation and Supervision of Payments and Settlement System. What is NSDL? National Securities Depositories Limited. What is APY? Atal Pension Yojana. What is CCB? Central Cooperative Bank. What is CCC? Central Complaints Committee. What is COR? Certificate of Registration. What is PCR? Public Credit Registry. What is CAS? Centralized Analytic System. What is UN? Universal Account Number. What is ECR? Employee Come Return. What is ADIF? Alliance of Digital India Foundation. What is CPSC? Central Public Sector Enterprises. What is PGCIL? Power Grid Corporation of India Limited. What is REC? Rural Electrification Corporation. What is ICRA? Investment Information and Credit Rating Agency of India Limited. What is CIBL? Credit Information Bureau India Limited. What is CARE? Credit Analysis and Research Limited. What is FIU? Financial Intelligence Unit. What is CEIB? Central Economic Intelligence Bureau. What is CIB? Corporate Investment Banking. What is FSB? Financial Stability Board. What is NIA? National Investigation Agency. What is CVC? Central Vigilance Commission. What is NAT Grid? National Intelligence Grid. What is CEIB? Central Economic Intelligence Bureau. What is NARCL? National Asset Reconstruction Company Limited. What is MAS? MAS Financial Services Limited. What is LICHFL? LIC Housing Finance Limited. What is IPPB? Indian Post Payments Bank. What is GNPA? Gross Non-Performing Assets. What is NSIC? National Small Industries Corporation. What is MOU? Memorandum of Understanding. What is CBDT? Central Board of Direct Taxes. What is EVC? Electronic Verification Code. What is NBP? New Business Premium. What is YOY? Year on year. What is SBI CAP? SBI Capital Market Limited. What is CCEA? Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs. What is FAIDF? Fisheries and Agriculture Infrastructure Development Fund. What is NCDC? National Cooperative Development Corporation. What is CRR? Cash Reserve Ratio. What is KPO? Knowledge Processing Outsourcing. What is CPI? Consumer Price Index. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends also.